and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kudoz Craze. As we all know that this year is going to end soon and we all are planning for our New Year party. So Kudoz, today I am going to tell you how to make veg Mexican tacos, and Kudoz, I am also going to tell you how to make salsa, and salsa is also known as pico de gallo. And Kudoz, as you all know that we are going to make veg tacos. So we are going to use soya granules in this. So let's get started. So Kudoz, remember that we need to take the help of our elders in this recipe because we need to boil the soya granules and we need to cut the vegetables and we also have to work on the gas. And Kudoz, I have boiled the soya granules in salt water. You will also enjoy these veg Mexican tacos in your new year. And Kudoz, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, and also share this video with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy these delicious veg Mexican tacos in their new year party. And Kudoz, don't forget to comment me below in the comment section that how was the recipe of these veg Mexican tacos, means with the help of the soya granules. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you, and I wish you a happy new year.